and welcome back on the sixth episode, where right now we're working on SQL, just fundamental skills, just trying to get better. And the last time we faced some problem with a query where we used lag, but it proper, wasn't the right function to use. It wasn't the right function to use, so I just want to get back on this problem. So we have, alright, let me set the timer. I mean, have the time of Loom, but that's also going on. Cool. We have interval. Cool. And we have dates. Alright. So last time we were there. Cool. So what I did was that, but they used a way easier function, which is this one. And I want to check what happens if you do just that. Right, everything is the same. But here, what they do is, for those two columns, they make them differ from one. So, I think it's, I'm not sure why this is one thing. Why? Let's see what Datacom has to say. Dates diff SQL equal 1. Right, because if it were 1, I understand. So by doing so, wait, temperature. Alright, let's read. Intuition. The program requires to use find all the dates with higher temperatures, blah blah blah. Approach. To solve the problem, we can use the following approach. Join the weather table with itself, denoting the first occurrence as week 1 and the second occurrence as week 2. Compare the date, denoting the first occurrence. Hmm. What else did we have? Compare the dates of W1 and W2 using the date diff, and if they're consecutive, it's 1 day. Add a condition in the where clause to select the rows where the temperature of W1 is greater than the temperature of W2. Select the ID of W1 as the result, the SQL query, blah blah blah. So my question is, this is what have been passed. So here we have it in this order. We have this 4. And basically for each one of them, it creates 4 rows. Pom pom pom. And then it goes again with 2. And then it goes again with 4. 3. On the 3rd of January for all the 4 in the table. Hmm. So I think for as a defect, alright, okay, I understand what happens now when you do this. And so if then you do that, whereas you find out the dates that are the day before, then it leaves you out with for the 4th, this is the 3rd. For the 4th, the 3rd. For the 3rd, the 2nd. And for the 2nd, the 1st. And we have those temperatures, and then we need to keep this one as their higher. And this is what happens when we do that. Alright, makes sense. And that, what? Wrong answer? What? Oh yeah. Yeah. Now I need to remove everything except the ID. Okay, understood. Let's see if I'm capable of doing it without looking back. So I select the I'll call it V1 weather. No, V1 ID, sorry. From V1 dot from weather as V1 weather as V2. I'll try to not look at this. Then you do date diff with v1 v1 temperature, v2 temperature, and this needs to be equal to 1 because we want 1 day of interval between the two dates, and then it needs to be where mm, um, v1 dot record. Oops, sorry. I think this is better like this. And temperature is superior to v2 dot temperature. Let's see. Maybe like that. Okay, I think it's missing a where, and this is an end. Cool. Okay, let's submit that. Okay, I understand. So now, next problem, please. And we're going to remove if there is something that is already done, which, wait a minute. Uh. Alright, so now house robber, and I will get rid of this. Uh, I think that I did something wrong here. Uh, 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 we've been working on those. Advanced and select join. Consecutive. What? What happened? Alright, let me pause very quick. Alright, I believe that we're back on track. Okay, so now we're going to this one. Thank you. And I will remove all that, which is scary basically. But okay, cool. Let's do it. I can see. So we have one table, only one. Nice. We have the activity table. You have a machine, process, activity type, and a timestamp. Understood. This is factory works out that has several machines, each running the same number of processes. Write a solution to find the average time each machine takes to complete a process. Average time each machine takes to complete a process. Okay. The complete process is end timestamp minus the start timestamp. Okay, I see what's going on. This is a great example of the when case. Let's try something. Select all from activity. I want to use the when case function, when case, but I'm not sure how to write it exactly. Case when. Select case when. Case when. Uh, all right, let's see. What I want to do is have those face to face. So let's not use this one. Let's say with temp start as, and then I open two parentheses. Cool. Then what do we have? Select all from activity, where activity type equal to start. Select all from temp start. That gives us right. That gives us the start table. And now we can do and start as, and we do. Oh, sorry. Um, and we select everything again, but this time it is the end. And then we do select all from temp start left join temp end. Well, let's see if that works. This is more temp end. Sorry, temp end as select all where type blah blah blah. Select temp end. All right, let's see if that's okay. So we have two tables here. Okay, we now have all the ends. So now what I would like to do is select all from temp start left join on. Or is it, wait. Website that have several machines, each running the same number. I mean, they will always have an end and a start. So left join temp end, okay, on machine ID. All right, ts dot machine ID equal te dot machine ID, and we need a process also. So ts dot process t dot process, and that now we have the two in front of one another, or do we? Yes, but okay, we need to remove some columns now. We'll take the ts dot machine ID, ts dot process ID. What is the output? Okay. Um, ts dot timestamp t dot timestamp. Let's see what we have this with this. All right. And now we need to make sure that machine zero's average time is that plus that. Okay, so now we need first of all to do the difference. So we can do it easily here. The start. So it is better say the end, time end, minus timestamp as diff. Alright, cool. Let's see real quick what we have here. And then basically it's group by and do the average of the processing time. All right. Now we need to do, so we want the machine ID, so we will remove this one. We'll do the AVG, average, as a AVG average diff. Well, they call it processing time as processing time. Group by TS machine. All right. Right, because they want three decimals, so I think I need to do rounded or round. Oh yeah, it was round. Round, I believe to specify here the argument, which is 3, correct, and I need to any order. All right, let's see. Accepted. Great. Okay, let's take the few minutes that we have to check how different we could have done that. I know that I went this like separating into two tables and joining them again. I believe that there is a better solution. Let's see. So here they do right. Yes, I always forget that you can say and specify afterward after the join that you can end this and that. Okay, on this and this and this and that. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, I like this solution. This is what as a matter of fact, let's try it real quick. We still have some time. So without looking, just to make sure we got it correctly. Um, so if I select, I'll directly go for the machine ID. Let's call it A1 dot machine ID. From activity A1, activity A2. Um, mm, mm, mm. So this is when you do from like that, I think it's a left join. I think. And it's 25 minutes. Sounds good. External join methods include the following: outer joins. Uh, I guess it's I mean, if we think about it, if I do it like that, it is an inner join. It has to be. When two tables in SQL from, is it inner join? An SQL inner join is the same as a join clause, combining rows from two or more tables. Pretty sure it's an inner clause. Anyhow, let's do this. So now it's over 25 minutes, but it doesn't matter. Activity A1, activity A2, correct. So now I need to do the average of A1 dot timestamp, A2 dot timestamp minus A1 dot timestamp. We need to put the round here and the 2 here as processing time. And then from activity A1, A2 on, and here we do on machine A1 equal machine A2 and yeah, no, it's not machine, it's process ID A1 is equal to process ID A2, and so the A1 dot activity type equal this is start, and A2 dot activity type equal end. Okay, I think it doesn't like the little the double I think it doesn't like the double things like that. I don't know how you said that. That looks like fine to me. Let's see. From activity on bam and bam. The first. All right, let's debug. Right, I think we need to remove this one. Oh, wait a minute. What happened with the group by group by A1 machine? Yes, check the manual to correspond to the versions or center on and right, I think I know. Oh, why is it wrong? What am I saying it to it? I'm saying, so join them on this and this and activity type equals start and activity 2 activity type equal end, and I group by machine. This is 3 first of all. Uh, um, going to check the solution because I can't figure it out on this and this and this and this. Is it really like that? Is it like I'm missing the join activity too? Why wouldn't that already work by itself? Ah, come on. From join. Alright, fine. Fair enough. Understood. Lesson learned. Submit. No network. Cool. Alright. I'll see you in the next session. See you. Goodbye. Leave a comment if you're still here. Ciao.